Welcome back. Now it's possible that you may not want to use a website or your website for your activity with your email and your Mailchimp account. If that's the case, you can use some of the pre-built web assets inside of Mailchimp. What you're going to do first is you're going to go inside of your campaigns area. Once you're inside of your campaigns, you're going to look on this left side menu and you're going to see this area that says landing pages. Going to click on top of landing pages. And if you have not yet created landing pages, what you're going to do here is you're going to click create a landing page. What you're then going to do is give your landing page a name. What you're then going to do is select a specific audience. You're then going to click begin. You will then get a disclaimer about stock images and copy. You're going to click accept. Now you're going to notice that you're going to have some templates here that you are going to be able to design. Now we're not going to spend a great deal of time designing these templates. So we're going to start the process by going to one of the designs. We're going to click on top of the template. That's then going to give us this area. What you're going to notice is that we have our logo that's already there. And then we basically have a landing page where we can then collect an email address and then subscription. So we then have control over this page. What you'll then want to do is to preview the page, and then you'll want to leave preview mode. If you want to add anything to the landing page, you can do it. If you want to change the style of the landing page, you can do it. What you're then going to do is click Save and Close. You're then going to give your landing page a title. We have given ours a title, so we're going to save it. You're then going to have your URL for your landing page. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our audience is going to be specific. And what we're going to do is we're going to give our landing page a specific tag. So in this case, we have added in a tag. We're going to add in the page landing page tag. So now every individual that comes through this page is going to be given the tag in Mailchimp of landing page tag. We're then going to click Save. Now we're not going to publish this landing page yet. We're going to go and finish the landing page later. What we're now going to do is we're going to create a specific campaign, and we're going to create it based on what we've done here with this specific landing page. We're now going to go to our automations. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a specific automation. And we're going to create a classic automation. And basically what we're going to do here is we're going to have emails sent when a subscriber is going to be tagged. And we're now going to call this landing page tag. And we're going to have the individuals come through a specific list. So now we have a specific automations campaign set so that when an individual is tagged with a specific label, we're going to have that individual sent a specific email. So what we're now going to do is we're going to edit this tag. And we're now going to select the tag, and we're going to make it landing page tag, just as we created, and now update the trigger. So now, one day after this individual becomes part of our email list through the landing page, we are going to have them tagged, and we're now going to have that individual sent a specific email. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click Next. We're now going to design the email based on this template. And now we're going to write our email. But now what we also want to do is we want to make sure that any other automated campaigns that are going out to this specific audience, we also want to make sure that this individual that comes through this page also gets that campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to some of our existing automations and we're going to edit them, and we're going to make it so that the individual that comes through that landing page with this tag also gets those campaigns also. So we're going to edit this follow-up campaign. And we're going to go to each of the messages and we're going to make sure that the new tag is added. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add in a tag. We're going to choose by segment or by tag. We're going to make sure the contacts match the following conditions. We're going to make that condition a tag. We're going to make it the existing tag. And we're also going to add in the tag that we just created. And we're going to save the segment. And we're now going to do that with each of the messages in this follow-up campaign. We're going to make sure that this second message now has both tags, and then save the segment. We're going to make sure that message number 3 has both tags, and we're going to save the segment. And what we're now going to do is resume our campaign. And our campaign is now restarted. So that now means that we can set our landing page to live. What we can do first, though, is we can set our landing page email now to start sending. And now what we'll do is we'll now go back to our campaign section. We'll now go back to our landing pages. What we will now do is we will turn on our landing page. What we'll do now is publish the page. And now our landing page is live as well as our automated campaigns. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another process.